Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Poopy Playtime. This time it's gonna be the cute little robot, Boogie Bot. So here's my full pencil sketch, sped up, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this little robot, and to begin with, just gonna draw the head, and it's just gonna be a square, just a little bit wider on the bottom. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw one line on top. Now we'll come down, just make it a little bit wider. And then close this off. Okay, so once we have this shape, we're going to draw one more on the inside. So just follow along on the outside. And then now we can draw in the eye. So for the eyes, pretty much two egg shapes. Alright, and then for the ear, just one big curve on the sides. And there's some detail up here, so I'm just gonna draw two lines right on the center. Alright, so very simple. So that's gonna be the head. Now let's draw in the body. So for the neck, just right in the middle right here, just a little rectangle. For the body, we'll just extend this line. This will be the shoulder. And again, we're just gonna come down, and it's almost like the head. We just flare this out and then close it off. And then the middle right here, come down and then close that off. So the tracks are gonna start in here, right underneath. But before we draw that, let's go ahead and draw in some of the details on the chest area. So right in the middle, just one line, and then we're gonna go up and then go out. Okay, and then for this one right here, it's a little bit more detail. Just come down, two little lines, and then this one's gonna go out. One little circle, a dot right in the middle. Alright, so that's the body, and now let's draw in the tracks right here. And we're gonna make it a little bit more three-dimensional. So I'm gonna start right here. Let's go out. Let's go out and past the body right there slightly. Now I'm gonna start in here. I know it's gonna be weird. Just draw one curve coming down. Okay, and then whatever curve you have here, we're gonna draw the same thing on the outside right here. Okay, so same curve, and then now we're just gonna close this off. So again, same thing here, same as this curve. Close that off. Now we're gonna start on the inside here. We're gonna draw the side of the tracks. Just draw two lines. Okay, stop short of this. And then from here, we'll just connect to the corner. Alright, and if you want to add in the, I guess the wheels inside, I'm just going to draw one, so just a little egg shape on the side. Okay, so let's see, and then the little track lines, just come to the center. We can divide it in half first, and then now divide these spaces in half. Alright, so those are the legs, and now let's draw in the shoulders and the arms right here. Come to the side, and this is pretty much just gonna be a little rectangle. Kind of add an angle. And then on the arms, I'm gonna have it curve out slightly. Just one little section here, smaller details. Okay, and then for the forearms, it's gonna be a lot wider. So just go out. And then for the claws, it's really simple. We just draw one angle like this. We'll draw the outside first. And then now we're just gonna give it some thickness. So just come down and then just follow that line. Go back in. That's gonna give us those nice claws. Okay, just come down. All right, and then lastly, some details. Right in the middle right here, just one line. And then on the top, come down, and then just go out. And that is it for this little Boogie Bot. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.